Welcome back to my channel, and this is NSN Gaming here, and what I'm about to do is, in the title, I'm going to be playing random battles. This is going to be a series, so if the series ends with a 5, it's going to be considered a jumbo episode. And if the episode is like ends with a 0, and it's gonna be a mega episode. So stay tuned for the jumbos and the mega episodes, because the jumbos we're gonna be playing 4 battles, and the mega we're gonna be playing 5 battles. For now, we're gonna be playing. No. 3 battles. This is considered a normal episode. So, this could go very stupidly wrong. Arctic. Okay. The music is sick, dude. Okay, let's start. Woohoo! Okay, let's look at the surrounding. Where the hell is other people's? No. Where the hell are these guys? Huh? I've been waiting here for 25 long seconds. Okay. I'm not gonna. Okay. It's gonna be real hard. Cause I'm gonna be attacking players with the attacking strategy, with the bot attacking strategy that I use in my videos. I mean, in my first video. I see a helicopter in the radar. Where is it? Hey! Turn. Can't turn. What is that? Is that a submarine? Okay, I'm not going there. Okay. What is the big dot right here? The big dot. Oh, I think it's a battleship. That's a Missouri. Nah. Yeah, boy. Let them rip. That's a lot of damage. Ooh. Another one of these. Oh my god, that's a lot of damage. Okay, that's enough. Wow, one of our there you go. Go. I need repairs. Missile alert. Okay. Yo. Don't attack me. Yo. Hey, okay. Let's go for another. I'm gonna attack the Missouri, cause the Missouri has stupid air defense. Okay. Dude, that's a lot of damage. No. Don't attack me. No. Why are you nose diving into the ground? That's not. No. Repair. Repair! This is gonna end really badly. Okay. The first battle was a failure. So, wow. I have the most HP in all of the thingies. Okay, I'm sinking. Bye me. And okay. Ooh, not bad damage though. Not bad. I mean, reward for dealing 500,000 damage. That's kind of easy. I'm gonna collect these because these are good and these are gold. And gold is what I need. I need some upgrades as well to upgrade my thingies. Let me upgrade speed to maximum. Yeah. Maneuvering agility. Let's go. Radar range. That's all my upgrades. I'm gonna max this thing in the next video. Another game. This is game number 2. Okay, the map is Greenland, which is... I'm not professional with bots. Yeah, the bots always kill me in this map. Wait, is this Greenland? Oh, open! Hehe. I'm noob. Yeah. Wait. Am I seeing? Okay. Who the hell should I attack? There's a frigate. Probably it's an F-126 or 127. I think it's 127. What is that? A Shinraga. Hello, a Shinraga. Yeah. Get 'em, my missiles. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh my god. No. Oh yeah. Okay. How am I? That's an F. Okay, I'm dead. Okay, go. That's all my flares. Okay. Go. That's already it, dude. That's a Belgorod, mate. Wow. Everything. Bro, what is that? Is that What is that? He has an MQ9 Reaper. That's is that I'm not sure what carrier is it. Is that a Nimitz, dude? No. I think it's a USS America. Okay. My G, you are dead, mate. Whoa, he got beloved. That's a weird word to say. He got nuked. Nuked. Well, there's no goodies. I need one good game. And I'm happy. This is game number 3, the last game we're playing today. Okay, okay. Viking Bay. I'm gonna send a message to all of the people. Bruh, that is absolutely funny. I have to have F-7 though. Wait, I not launch the... How? Why is my game lagging? No. No, this way. This way. Altitude 4,000. That's enough. Viking Bay. Okay. Belgorod. Okay, is there Belgorod? Yes! Okay, I see enemy fighter. I see. Are these? Oh. I see inside. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Get wrecked, dirt. Okay, I'm getting wrecked. Okay. Use this as air defense. Let me just boom, 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 boom. Let me just Wait, are they shooting at me? No, he's shooting at my thingy. I mean, my allies. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! What is that? Oh yeah. Get out. What did I do? That's a torpedo. No. What is that? What is that? Ja. Okay. Let me just scout the. I know you. Get him! Mob. Get him. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Is that a bomber? Yo. I need to fly slowly. Okay. Who the hell is shooting me? It's illegal to shoot me. I'm dead. Okay. Going on an attack run. Okay. Please don't attack me. Okay. I see 2 helicopters. Here they are. Oh, man! That's an RF Varyag! No, 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 no. No, no way. I'm driving near a Varyag. Dude, that obliterated my planes in like two freaking seconds. 2 freaking seconds? No, 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 no. Suicide mission! Kamikaze! No, no. No! Driver! I want kamikaze missions. It's on my face. It's on my face. No, no, no. No, no, please don't turn back! No, 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 no. Please go, go, go. Go to the carrier. I need refuel. Please, please. Bro, that was the stupidest thing I've ever done. There's only... Oh, I see a love... Shut up. Please. Please. Why? I have lost my... Why am I shooting? I only have 10 left. Okay. So, we need a mission. A plan. A mission. So, yeah, distract the enemy using my bomb throwers. Yeah. I mean grenade launchers. Oh, I see these things again. Two. These guys have. No, that's not a way to. Oh, shut up. Okay, he's flying. I'm dead. I'm dead. Retreat! He's near me. Okay. He's going this way, so I should go this way. Oh no. I see him. No. No, I'm gonna get wrecked, dude. No, he's gonna get wrecked. He's the one who gets wrecked. Okay. Go slowly, steady, and slowly. And bop! Go, go! Go, go, gadget! Go, go, gadget! Go, go, gadget! Go, go! Go this way! No! Hey, Varyag! Hey, surprise! 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 Brrr. Yeah, bruh! Let's go! We win! We win! That's good! We win! Okay. Now that's it for today's episode of playing random online battles. So bye. Bye. See you next time.